Hello guys, welcome back to this channel once again. On this video we are going to explore the new Anambra Government House and Governor's Lodge under construction and also its environs. So right now we are at just close to the Government House and Governor's Lodge that's under construction. And what you are seeing here is a culvert base. Yes, this is the base of a massive culvert that's under construction closely to the Governor's Lodge that's under construction. So what this implies is very simple. The Governor's Lodge and the Government House that's under construction is already bringing massive developments around these areas. And once this culvert is done with and this road is also done with, bet you the lands in this area, their prices are going to skyrocket. I'm telling you, you can see that the roads are already under construction. What this current administration of Soludo is doing in Anambra State is magical. Yes, this current administration has proven to have the interests of Anambra State and Anambrians at heart. Going into various hidden locations to open them up and make them livable, bringing lights to dark places. You know, this particular area, this area is around Ifite and Okmono, is in between Ifite and Okmono, and no one will believe that this thing that's happening around this area would ever happen around this time, but you can see that everywhere around there is opening. So if you have plans of buying a house or building a house in the near future, I would advise you come and buy a land around this area now that it is still affordable, because I believe that these constructions that are around these projects that have come around this area has already made the price of lands here to increase. So you can still buy them now because they will still increase more. That is the fact. You can see that the drainage system already is under construction, and what this company is trying to do is get the drainage system ready before they will now come to working on the road fully. And these guys are delivering quality work on this project site. They are delivering a quality work. You can see the quality of the drainage, the thickness of this drainage that's under construction. So I repeat again that this Soludo's administration in Anambra State, what it is doing is very impressive and very magical. I must say this again. So this fence you are seeing over here is the fence of the Governor's Lodge and the Government House that's under construction. And this project is so massive. When this project will be completed, I tell you, Anambra would have a new look and a new face. You can see this is right behind the Governor's Lodge and Government House that's under construction. We are right behind it right now. This is behind the site, and you can see the fence. You can see the distance of the fence, the length of this fence, and also look at this from also behind. You also see the length of this fence from behind. So this project is not just anyhow project. The state government have taken up on this project and they are seriously working on this site. You can see how long the length is. So it's not a child's project. This is a gigantic structure that the state government is trying to put up at this place, and when completed, Anambra will truly be the light of the nation. But that's by the way, because the main thing here is that it is bringing in massive development around these areas, and that is the more important thing. So if you want to build a residential house, like a house you want to live or a house you would want to rent, I would also advise that you come around these areas and get a land now, so that, because in the near future, what am I saying? In the next 2-3 years, land, you can't get a land here for 15 million. Let's face the facts. In the next 2-3 years, you cannot get a land in these areas for 15 million. So if you can even get a land here for 10 million, 12 million, you are still on the gain, because in the near future it is going to skyrocket like massively. It's going to skyrocket dramatically. So let's keep going, so that we'll go inside the project site. That's inside the governor's lodge and government house that's under construction, so that you would see what it looks like and what they are actually doing at the moment. You can see that the roads here are also under construction by the same state government. So they are opening up these areas, bringing life into this location. If you have anything you want to say about this current administration of the Soludo, if you have any advice, if you have anything or suggestions you would want to give to the state government, please do that on the comment section. So we are inside the project site right now, and the work is still ongoing. The engineers are at work. You can see that men are working day in, day out. Work is going on at this site. There are even churches. You see there's a church that's under construction inside the government house and the governor's lodge. The governor's office is there. The governor's lodge is there. And so many other amenities right within this facility. So it's a massive facility and a massive project. And this is very, very close to the state secretariat and also the federal secretariat, all in Awka Anambra state. You can see the secretariat. And also there is an erosion control that's taking place around this area. So you see why I say that this project has brought life and light around this area. There's an erosion control, there's an erosion that has been eating up these places, and even almost ate up the road at some point. But you can see that the state government has already worked on that erosion, and they have already controlled it, and they are still working on it so that they'll tighten up the whole area, so it will be clean and serene. So I would love you guys to rate the Soludo administration. What do you think about this administration? What do you think about this current state governor? The massive works that he has been doing in Anambra State within a short period of time. What do you think about this project that's ongoing right now, and many other projects that's ongoing around the state? You can also go through our videos, like our former videos, so you understand what we are talking about. There are lots of projects that is going on in Anambra State. At some point, I would say that Anambra State is a construction site at the moment, because work is going on in virtually every part of this state. and we'll keep bringing them to you back to back on this channel, just like we always do. Also, if you have not subscribed to this channel already, please do well to subscribe to this channel, comment, share and like this post. Also, don't forget to click on the notice bell down below so that whenever we post a video, you will be the first to get to know about it. So what we are saying is that Anambra state government and also this current administration is working day and night to see that Anambra truly gets a facelift from what it used to be. And I must tell you this, that within a short period of time, or before the time this administration would elapse, Anambra will truly improve. Like, we are going to be living in a new Anambra. It wouldn't just be the Anambra you used to know, but it will be a better and a livable Anambra. Because from what we have seen on ground, this administration has been skeptical with all the projects that has been carrying out within the state. This administration has been so intentional with development in Anambra State. So I'm actually recommending the Soludo administration, and I'm also urging this current government to do more. Yes, they shouldn't slack at all. They should continue with this tempo, and before this 8 years would elapse, Anambra would compete with, or even become one of the best states in Nigeria. Thank you for watching up to this point. Subscribe to this channel so that you get current updates from within and around Anambra State. Remain blessed and see you on our next epic video.